Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making a reaction video to a video called Probability Comparisons Beliefs. I saw this video on the internet. There's a lot of these videos in my recommended. They seem pretty nice. I lowered the volume to avoid copyright and let's get started. Okay, honestly, I'm an atheist because I don't think God exists. It's really because, if it solves one question, you ask yourself, who created the universe, you would say God. So it solves that question, but it creates more by asking, who created God? Is God, where is God? Is God real? Is God an actual physical object? Or, like, what is God? Are there others of this kind? And why did he create the universe? There's so many questions, and so it will just create more questions but by solving one. And life after death, no, I don't think, because consciousness is not real. It's just an illusion, because we're smart enough to know that we exist, and so we think we're conscious. Destiny, I kind of believe that, because you could predict everything, like how a dice lands or anything. You could predict anything if you knew the position of every atom in the universe at one moment, their speed, their location, and everything. A person could predict perfectly something. It would need an enormous computer or a machine to predict, but it will be possible. Aliens, yeah, aliens exist, but they're not on Earth yet. The universe is so big. No, of course it doesn't give luck. Not really. It's just the Bermuda Triangle is dangerous just because back then, when they used compasses, the magnetic field that's around the area kind of started interfering with the compass, and so they just got lost. But it's not that dangerous. Time travel will be possible? No, because it would need more than an infinite amount of energy by going faster than the speed of light. Guardian angels? No. Jesus, of course, he wasn't born on the 25th. I heard he was born on actually the 14th of October. Sorry, I'm just lowering here just so you can see that my tablet is charging, because it never charges. Well, love at first sight. I don't know. I guess that could be possible. No, the devil doesn't possess people because it's not real. I don't really believe in reincarnations or obviously psychic powers. Well, of course not. We figured that out last year. No. No, people can't talk to the dead. Karma. There's many forms of karma. Like if you punch a person, they'll punch you back. That's technically karma. You get back what you did to somebody else. So it depends what you're talking about. Well, I think everybody knows that we don't use 10% of the brains. We use more. Horoscopes, I don't believe in them. Evolution is a myth. No, it's not. No, not really. It can only really happen like to animals or even to people, but it's only when you're actually sensing something. It's not like luck. It's just that you think something's gonna happen and then it happens, even though it's not. You didn't really sense it, because all the times that you thought that you were sensing it and it didn't happen, you don't count, and so yeah, I don't think it's that true. Ghosts probably don't exist. Apocalypse? I don't really think an apocalypse is gonna happen anytime soon. It's probably not gonna happen anytime. Well, I think everybody knows that you can swim after eating. You can swim. It's just a myth that parents made so that kids can just stay on land for some time. The sun revolves around the earth. There's still people that believe that. Mercury exists, same. There's still people that believe that. Climate change is not real. There's enough proof to prove that it is real. Yeah, souls don't exist. I agree with that. No, vaccines are not linked to autism. Witches are obviously not real. They're just something that medieval men invented. The Yeti is not real. Maybe it's just some weird person. Alcohol? No, it doesn't. And of course not. The Illuminati? No, of course not. The Illuminati real. Probably not, because I doubt that the countries would deliberately kill their own citizens by creating a virus, AIDS in this case. Atlantis is probably not real. Range, like, the ocean doesn't move that much. It would have to have been built millions or even billions of years ago, like hundreds of millions of years ago before humans existed. If it had to like still be underwater, so yeah, probably not. It's probably not real. No, CIA did not do that. Bigfoot obviously doesn't exist. Yeah, I know, flat earthers. No, the moon landing wasn't faked. Wait, this makes no sense. How can 1 out of 35 flat earthers think that the earth one out of 35 people think that the earth is flat, but 1 out of 37 people think that the moon landing were faked? This means that not all flat earthers think that the moon landings are faked, right? Yeah, yeah, it's true. That makes no sense. The Loch Ness monster is not real. It can help, but it won't cure it. 5G does not cause COVID. It might be a simulation. Tupac is probably not alive. Also, same with Elvis. Coca Cola, no, definitely not. No, because light go forever. It would not stop after a few meters with like the lightsaber. So no, they're not possible and they don't exist. Probably not. The Titanic wasn't doomed, and obviously unicorns aren't real. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you tomorrow.